If I die, my mama set for life. If I get killed, that's one between your eyes like Savage Knife. Shot it, I'm gon' slide, it's too much pride behind my life. Feel like E, cause I've been booted up a million nights. Had to cut off my main bitch, but trust she's still my wife. Still, pull up with that pipe, still, creeping through the night, still.
So, we got Balenciaga, we got Guess, we got the North Face, Off-White, Boohoo, H&M, Como de Garçon, Stone Island, Adidas, Ted Baker, New Balance, ASOS, Prada, Tom Ford, Burberry, Saint Laurent, Dior, Fendi, Amiri, Armani, Moncler, Vans, Lacoste, Zara, Gucci, Supreme, Levi's, Alexander McQueen, Balmain, Versace, Louis Vuitton, DKNY, TK Maxx. TK Maxx? I thought it was TJ Maxx. TK Maxx? I ain't never heard TK. Chanel. We got CP Company. We got Jordan, Calvin Klein, Hugo Boss, Ralph Lauren, Champion, Celine, Under Armour, Kenzo, Converse, Nike, Lyle and Scott, Elise, Givenchy, Arctic Program. We got Michael Kors, Puma, D Squared, Tommy Hilfiger, and Palm Angels. Now, let's start off with Balenciaga, man. I'm going to be honest with y'all. Off the gate, we got to put Balenciaga. We got to put Balenciaga at legendary. Just going to be honest with y'all. Balenciaga been running shit for a minute now. You know what I'm saying? Be honest, Balenciaga been running shit for a minute now, bro. I ain't going to lie to you. So, yeah, they definitely got to go legendary. Guess? I think Guess does really well when it comes to like winter wear. You know what I'm saying? Like that winter season shit. But as far as like the other seasons, they're not really. I give Guess average. Yeah, I give them average, honestly. North Face. Ooh. North Face is like one of those ones. It's like they not good overall, but they just do one thing really well. They do one thing really well, so I gotta put them at average as well. But I'm gonna put them ahead of Guess. Off-White, just for the simple fact that Legend created this brand. I gotta put them at legendary just because Legend made them. But at the same time, they did kind of fall off. So I should go off of current. So right now, like how Off-White is now, I would put them at just great. I wouldn't put them at legendary. Boohoo, trash. Just being real. Boohoo's trash. H&M, I would give them bad. But they do got some hidden gems in H&M. H&M do got gems. Now, let me put H&M at good. I'm gonna put H&M at good. They got hidden gems in there. Como de Garçon. Woo! Como de Garçon. CDG gotta go with. CDG got some. They had the legendary piece with the stripes. The beanies is actually low-key tough. I don't know. I'll go with good. I'll put them at good above H&M. I'll put them above H&M. Stone Island is. I give them average. They cool. They above Guess for sure. Adidas. I think the collabs that they've done and shit, they got to be great. I got to put them at great. Ted Baker. Honestly, I'm not too hip on Ted Baker. Let me look up some Ted Baker. Let me see Ted Baker. Ted Baker. Oh, this is like some women shit. Got purses and shit. Let me go to the men's collection. Men's clothing. Oh, this is like some. It's cool. They got well crafted garments for sure. Nah, but for these prices though, eat a dick. Eat a dick, Ted Baker. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. For those prices, I'm definitely gonna have to go with bad. Just off the simple price. You gonna charge me that for that? Hell no. New Balance has definitely made a comeback on in the shoe space. But if we're talking clothes, if we're talking about clothing, if we're talking about clothing, New Balance ain't really like that in clothing. I gotta go bad as far as like clothing. Yeah, I gotta go bad. ASOS. I haven't seen ASOS. ASOS. Let me see what they talking about. ASOS, man. Let's go to man shit. Why am I seeing Adidas shit? Top rated club. Let's go top rated. They got an Adidas collab and shit? North Face collab? Or is ASOS just sell other people's shit? Am I tripping? I don't know, bro. I'm gonna just go, I'm just putting never heard of it. Prada. Come on now. Prada shit fire. That shit's fire, bro. They got some crazy pieces, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. They got crazy pieces. Tom Ford, great. Put him at great. Above their suits and shit, fire. Suits and shit, fire. Burberry, I'll give them good. I'll give them good, and they above Comme des Garçons, and they above Comme. Yeah, they gotta be above Comme des Garçons though. Saint Laurent, good as well. Good. Dior, gotta go legendary. They killing shit right now, Dior. Fendi, I'll give them good. Good. Amiri, legendary. This is different shit. Armani, average maybe. Average to me. Mklive, I gotta go with legendary just because that puffer is a staple, bro. Vans, great. I'm not gonna lie. Vans for skater wear, they've stuck to that niche and they've killed that niche for so long. Lacoste, clothing wise, trash. Zara, now this is great for the price. For the price and the style of clothes that they have. I ain't gonna lie. Pricing and the style of clothes, I gotta give Zara great. Gucci, good. I need to see more from Gucci. Supreme, legendary. For sure. Supreme is legendary, bro. Everybody knows that. Levi's. The jeans, I'll say good. Good. They good. Alexander McQueen, I give them good as well. Balmain, average, especially for that price. Christian, what's up, girl? How you doing? What you doing up in here, girl? Where your girl Allison at? Where she at, man? She ain't up in here? Versace. Versace. I'm supporting you, and I don't know. I thought you knew. Now, why would I know where Allison is? Versace. I gotta give Versace average, bro. They're not actually bad, bro. They don't got no shit like that no more. They used to. Louis Vuitton, come on now. Let's just be real. Louis Vuitton killing the game, bro. They above Balenciaga to me. Louis Vuitton always gonna have the number one spot to me for plenty of reasons. You know what I'm saying? Same question I had for you. Just couldn't hear it. Same question you had for me. I just couldn't hear it. What the fuck? Oh, so you're saying like the way you said it is like okay, like all right. DKNY. I've heard of it, but like actually let me look at it real quick before I judge DKNY. DKNY. Meaning how would I know where she is? Anyways, Dior is of course legendary. You saying Dior is of course legend? Do I have it on legendary? Yeah, I have it on legendary. I have it on legendary. Let me see. It's probably a woman's brand. See, I don't know this shit. Yeah, I don't know this shit. Yeah, I don't know this shit. Yeah, hell nah. It's my tier list. So this shit not going. This shit going on. Never heard of it. That's not my type of brand. TK Maxx. I think TK Maxx might be just trash, nigga. Chanel. I think this is only like a good brand of like women. If I'm being real. You saying DKNY is legendary? Yeah, that's some women shit. I don't know about no damn DKNY, but CP Company. These might be just women brands. TK. That's what it says. TK. It literally says TK Maxx. Let me see. This got to be a TK Maxx. TK Maxx. There is a TK Maxx. I thought it was TJ Maxx too. It's not. It's TK. Choose your location. Online shopping available. Let me say the UK. Fuck it. It is TK Maxx. It's TK. Say TK. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I don't know what this bullshit is. Matter of fact, I'm gonna move it down to never heard of it. CP Company. Let me see what the CP Company is talking about. CP Company. CP Company. Oh, okay. Hold on. This might have some gems in it. Hold on. Oh, CP Company. Okay. Oh my God! But that price though. Oh hell no. Oh hell no, bruh. This price. These prices is bullshit. Ain't nothing jump out to me to make me want to pay for that shit. What the fuck? These prices, nigga. Hell no, nigga. That shit going to damn average, nigga. Because there's no the clothes in it ain't bad, but why the fuck would I? Why you pointing the finger at me? Why you put that emoji? Jordan, come on now. Jordan is legendary, bro. We can't. Come on now. We're not gonna play with Jordan like that now. Matter of fact, let me arrange these and such. Like I think Jordan should go. I think Supreme should definitely go over Montclair. Amiri probably needs to go down here. I got Louis, Balenciaga, Prada. Let me move the Dior underneath these two. Yeah, underneath these two. Under these two, yeah. Because you literally screamed when I saw the price. It's the best impression of how I'm laughing right now. Oh, so you pointed and laughed at me. Ah. Calvin Klein, trash. Nah. I'll say bad, but they draws is undefeated. Hugo Boss, good. They go in the good category. Ralph Lauren, trash. Champion, I'll give it average. Celine, woo, that shit expensive though. I think that shit average if I'm being real. That shit average. Under Armour, average. Kenzo, I'll put Kenzo's good. Kenzo can go at good. The boxers are good. That's what I'm saying. See, Calvin Klein, the boxers are good, but like their actual clothes, Maybe I'll say average because they do have good white tees too. Converse, trash. Nike, legendary for sure. Definitely legendary. And I gotta put it over Jordan. Nah, actually, I gotta. Damn, I got. Which one is it, over Jordan or under Jordan? I'll put it right under Jordan. From China, but nice. But the quality of the stuff is still good. Oh, Lyle and Scott. I don't even know what Lyle and Scott is. Lyle and Scott. Let me see these prices. That determines whether or not a brand is nice or not to me. If the prices make sense for the clothing and the lore of the clothes. This shit ass, bro. This shit's ass. I'm just gonna put never heard of it. Alisi. Alisi. Sportswear. All right, men. All clothing. Let's see what this shit talking about. So I put men. This shit's ass. Oh my gosh, it's ass. This shit's ass. Ain't nothing on that board black owned other than Jordan's, maybe. Even Jordan's isn't black owned. Like, I don't even think Jordan is black owned, and he's black. I think other people own Jordan. Let me see who's the owner of Jordan. Let me see who owns Jordan. Who is the owner of Jordan? See, look, the Jordan brand, the sportswear line of shoe and apparel is owned by Nike, not Michael Jordan. While Michael Jordan is a key figure in the brand's success and has a long-standing partnership with Nike, including a percentage of the company's stock, Nike holds the true ownership and the rights. So, let's see who owns Nike. Who owns Nike? Nike is a public company, meaning it's owned by a mix of shareholders, including individual investors and insiders like company executives. The company's largest shareholder is Phil Knight. Let's see who Phil Knight is. Is Phil Knight black? If Phil Knight ain't black, Phil Knight is a white man. This is a white man. She said, that's fucked up if you think about it. She said, right, Allison would be proud. Yeah, that's kind of fucked up. Why you say that, Christian? That's fucked up. That is a white man, bruh. It's a white guy, man. Nike's owned by a white dude. And that means Jordan is owned by a white dude, man. Man, we can't have nothing, bro. Can't have shit. Can't have nothing. That's crazy. See? So that means nothing up here is owned by a black guy. It's crazy. Givenchy. Givenchy is average, honestly. It's not that. Arctic Program. Let me see if that shit talking about Arctic Program. Arctic Program. Let's see. That's not it. Oh, it's Canadian Goose. Oh, I thought it was Arctic. You own 90% of this board, huh? No. No, I don't. Canada Goose. I think Canada Goose, like, their pricing, like, look how much a fucking parka costs. Oh my gosh. Ain't no way, bruh. A parka costs $1,500. Oh, what? Canada Goose got me fucked up. Yo, these prices for these jackets are insane, bro. Are insane. She said like parka car. Honestly, for these prices, honestly, this jacket gotta last me a lifetime though. I think they're very high quality jackets, so I can't give them legendary though. I'll give them great, but I can't give them legendary. Michael Kors, just because they took my initials, man, trash. Simple as that. Just because they took my initials, bro. Puma, only reason I'm gonna give them good is because of LaMelo Ball. D squared. D squared is up there, bro. They're great. They're great. They got some shit. High quality from China. Tommy Hilfiger. Trash. Palm Angels. Good. Palm Angels is good. I ain't gonna lie. They got good shit. Alright, y'all. And this is my tier list. This is my brand tier list, man. This is my brand tier list right here. What do you think? Think this shit fire? No. Is this shit fire? This shit tough? Shit high quality? Is this the best shit you ever seen? Balenciaga and Legendary is insane. I'm just saying though, look. You say they traffic children? I'm just going strictly off the clothes though. I'm going strictly off the clothing though. Nigga, I'm not going off of their public image. You feel me? Look at the clothes though. This shit is fire. They do ready to wear. Ready to wear view all. Like, come on now. Like, this shit fire, bro. Damn! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! This shit's $8,000. Oh! Why would I get this? I would never wear this. For $8,000, why would I wear this? I'm not wearing that, bro. For $8,000, I'm not picking that up, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. How much is this t-shirt? $575 for a t-shirt? And these sweatpants cost $900. Damn near $1,000 for some sweatpants. This Lamborghini, these ripped off baggy pants cost $1,700. Kai, you know what? Let me just lower my volume. Is my shit up too high? My gain? Yo, is that better? Is my gain better? Is it better? Let me know. Is that better? Yo! Damn! Yo! How's that? That was better? Oh my gosh. You're yelling, honey. It's cool. Prize got you tongue-tied, huh? Alright, whatever. I'm not going to sit here and take this shit. I ain't gonna lie, these clothes are fire. It's just like, these prices are stupid, bro. It's so dumb. You gotta be rich. Like, you gotta be rich to wear this shit. Like, look at this. This is a cut off t-shirt. Like, I'm already knowing that the amount of fabric used for this shit is not that expensive. But, you know what I'm saying? This shit costs fucking $850 for a cut off t-shirt, bro. These jeans right here are fire, bro. But they $1,500 jeans, bro. This is crazy, bro. This is so crazy to me. I feel the demons coming off those clothes. They're sick people. Oh my gosh. I ain't gonna lie, these clothes is tough though. I can't even fake it to you, man. These clothes is hard. Good quality is good quality, man. I ain't even gonna hold you. Good quality is good quality, but like, shit, bro. Good quality is good quality, man. I can't even hold you. Nah, but yeah, this is it, man. Let me download this shit. Download this shit so I can maybe use this shit for my thumb easy.
Gotta get my money right. Like a gamble, I roll the dice. Speed, I roll like a motorbike.